ever thought about where the gas that lights and heats the UK's homes comes from? You may be surprised to know that about 61% of our gas imports come from deposits in the seabed just off the Norwegian coast. The history of gas in the UK starts in 1792, when gas manufactured from coal and oil was first used to light a home. By the 1900s, this coal gas played a vital role in heating UK households. But this started to change in the 1960s, when North Sea discoveries enabled access to abundant, cost-efficient and cleaner natural gas. Many discoveries were made by Norwegian company Statoil, founding a long energy partnership with the UK. Statoil's first discovery in 1976, the Tommeliten, or Tom Thumb, produced 11 billion cubic metres of gas and had enormous significance for the industry, including one of the first subsea projects. By 1996, we had built the immense Troll A platform, the tallest structure ever moved by man, enabling us to extract gas from the huge Troll field. Using great feats of engineering to reach the deposits is just the beginning of the challenge. The gas molecules then need to travel hundreds of miles through subsea pipelines to reach the UK's coast. Today, natural gas is a vital part of the UK's energy mix. The UK imports enough gas from Norway via the Langeled pipeline to heat or power 6 million homes. The Climate Change Act 2008 commits the government to reducing overall emissions by 80% from 1990 levels by 2050. Recognising that natural gas is important to help the UK reduce emissions from power generation, the government supports greater investment in the gas industry, making it a major source of energy now and for the future. The partnership between the UK and Norway has brought benefit to both countries through huge investments, job creation, industrial and technology development, and the security of gas supplies. Since the start of this video, the Troll platform has produced enough gas to meet the daily electricity needs of 177,000 citizens across Europe.